Hello everyone. My name is Mai. My English name is Jimmy. Like you, I have learned English for over 10 years, but my English was poor. Fortunately, now it's better. So today, I'm going to show you how to learn English well. There are many ways to learn English. You can learn English through singing. You can learn English through reading. You can learn English through listening, and you can learn English through writing. But the best way to learn English is through speaking and reciting as many sentences as possible. The more sentences you can blurt out, the better English you will speak. Thank you so much. Thanks for your watching. Bye. See you again.